Maraming nag-object sa K-12 kasi ano daw, patagdag tuition, papahirap, marami lang mahirapan. Pero speaking, from what I've experienced, nadadagdagan nga, there are 2 additional years nga. Pero yung mga matututunan mo nun, marami rin eh. For example, when I was in high school sa America, meron required reading. There are books that you're supposed to read before graduating from high school. You cannot graduate from high school without reading those books. Major works of Shakespeare. Romeo and Juliet, di ba? Lahat yata na in love sa second year high school, lahat yata na in love eh. Wala yatang exception dun. You learn a lot eh from an expanded curriculum. Napakadaming kailangan rin matutunan. It's not enough na matuto tayo arithmetic, reading, writing, tsaka science. Believe it or not, sa high school dun sa States or in other countries, pati cosmetology tinuturo, pati yung sculpture tinuturo. Ang dami mo matututunan doon na sa Amerika, di ba marami nang hindi nagka-college. Tapos nakakapaghanap.